this is take two, and I'm explaining what the printing issue was that occurred with these signs. So you can see the front side here, descriptive analytics, predictive and prescriptive analytics. The back side should have been the exact same text on each flag. So if I turn this one over, again, like I showed before, now on this side you see prescriptive, predictive. Again, on this one you'll see descriptive showing here, okay? That was the first order that I received. I submitted a request for a replacement with the correct printing, and now what happened is, this was the packet I got. Okay, so we've got here descriptive analytics, and if I turn it over, it is predictive and prescriptive analytics. Okay, so that's the exact same thing that happened with that flag. And the other flag that was sent, you can see on one side we've got the prescriptive and predictive analytics, and if I turn this over again, now you've got descriptive analytics. So it's the exact same mistake that happened the first time around. What I really need is the exact same text on the front and the back, and that is exactly how I submitted the order. So I would greatly appreciate your help in getting it printed the correct way. Thank you so much.